Good afternoon, Aiken. My name is Michel'le Jackson, and I am here to bring you the front page. In our leading local stories, hometown golfer brings home the trophy. Kevin Kisner wins at the Dell Technologies Match Play Championship in Austin, Texas. The ribbon cutting ceremony. The Aiken Mayor Rick Osmond cuts the ribbon to officially open the new Aiken Department of Public Safety headquarters on Sunday. I'll be right back with more stories after a brief message from our friends at Crescent Automotive.
Everyone's a welcome guest at Crescent Automotive. We're Aiken's Choice Award winner 4 years in a row.
That probably has a lot to do with our low upfront windshield pricing and no additional processing fees.
Remember, everybody drives Crescent.
You should too. Making a splash. North Augusta City Council will vote on Riverview Park Splash Pad. The meeting takes place this evening at 7 p.m. Aiken Area Partnerships. President Donald Trump's fiscal year 2020 budget includes the Advanced Manufacturing Collaborative Facility. $50 million is requested for construction and design of the AMC facility, which is planned for the USC Aiken campus. To read more about these stories, please visit aikenstandard.com. My name is Michel'le Jackson, and it's been my pleasure to host the front page. I'll see you tomorrow.